Welcome to the tutorial series, Design a Top-Down Garden Layout using Microsoft Expression Design. Microsoft Expression Design is like a mini version of Adobe Illustrator. The fourth version of Design was last published in 2012, and support for it stopped around 2015, but the entire Expression Studio has a bit of a cult following. Video 1. Install Microsoft Expression Design. Please download the installer only from a trusted site. A Microsoft site would be best, but who knows how long Microsoft will keep the installer available. If you are following this video after Microsoft removes the download, you can probably still find it on a site such as CNET. I wouldn't trust any others. If it's also gone from CNET, leave a comment below and I'll make my copy of the installer available, if I am allowed to. Design is only available for Windows, but I've heard that it will run on a Mac that uses Boot Camp to boot you into a version of Windows. If you have a version of Windows older than Windows 7, install the most recent version of Expression Design that supports your version of Windows, if you can find it. Run the installer after it downloads, and follow the installation instructions. On to the next video. Thank you for watching.